So the BMW has officially rolled over to 100,000 miles. And today I'm going to be telling you some things that I've had to deal with throughout my ownership of the car. So let's talk about it. I've had this car for about 2.5 years, and so far the ownership has been fairly good. I mean, I really can't complain about it too much, but I do want to talk to you about a few things when it comes to this car. So I've always done my maintenance every 5,000 miles, and I do recommend that if you do own one of these, because if you stay on top of it, it will last a little bit longer. Like I said, I got this car about 2.5 years ago.
Long before time had a name.
Notorious problem with BMWs is the valve cover. So these cars are terrible for valve covers, and that's one of the first things that I ran into. And guess what? It's a BMW, so it likes to leak oil. This is an M55. People like to mod this car and do all types of, stuff to it. It's a pretty moddable car, but when I started adding power to it, BMW likes using a plastic charge pipe. So I went and I upgraded it to an aluminum one because mine completely blew apart and it was terrible. And this charge pipe is actually an HPS. It was about a $230 piece, but it ain't going nowhere because it's full aluminum. So walking to the back side of the car now, I will say this, I'm not sure if this was just because it had a bad diff or it was my fault. So when I did get this car, in about 6 months of owning it, I actually cut off the mufflers because I wanted a little bit of sound. And plus I had MHD, so I wanted it to have some burbles, no big deal. But anyway, where I didn't finish the exhaust and make the exhaust tips actually come out all the way on the rear, I guess the gaskets on the differential got so hot it leaked all the diff fluid out, and then I had to, get a new differential, which was not good. I will say that. It was expensive.
Oh my God.
But I haven't had any more problems out of that end of it. Another one of the things with this car, which there's not much I can complain about, but I will say this, I don't know if anyone else has had this problem, but my door handle actually broke. This car does have some wear on it, but I will say this, it's a daily car, so I'm not too worried about it. And I mean, if you still look inside, the seat and stuff, it's still fairly good condition. I mean, I do take care of it. I put leather cleaner on it, and I try to, maintain it as well as possible. And then now this is another thing that a lot of people will know. It doesn't matter what model BMW it is. I think it just might be like the 2010s to 2016s. Now, if you look on this side, this is one of the major problems with these cars is the interior. It's horrendous. I mean, it gets really hot in the summer and then it feels like glue. I mean, it's sticking to your skin and it's a very nasty feeling, just to be honest with you. So that's another notorious thing with these cars. So I got this car about 2.5 years ago. It's a 2014 535i F10. It also has the M Sport package on it. And with my ownership, like I said, it's been about 2.5 years. I've put about 70,000 miles on it now. So you can tell it's starting to get up there in miles. And for the ones that are wondering, with this car now, it has been tuned since about 60,000 miles. It was touched pretty soon within its lifespan of me owning it. So once it got to about 60,000 miles, I started doing down pipe, charge pipe, intake, tune, you name it, it's been done to it. So still talking about the rear end of the car. So right now, one of the problems that I am having is a CV axle, and obviously, if you know a little bit about cars, that's due to the fact of modding the car, which a CV axle, it's not pricey, it's fairly easy fix. You can do it on your own, and I will be doing that and fixing it on my own. But you can get a CV axle for about 150 bucks. It's not a bad fix, but it is annoying. I mean, when you let off the gas, it sounds like the whole rear end's about to collapse. The runs, I mean, there's really not too much to complain about.